Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install LivU application on Android. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, simply open your Google Play Store. Tap on the search bar on the top left corner of your screen. Type LivU. Tap on the search icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. Find the app, and once you find it, tap on Install button. Wait for installation. Once the installation is completed, tap on Open. Now you can either create an account or log into your existing account. That is how you can easily install and download LivU application on Android. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment below your questions and feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss our upcoming videos.